Hey guys, Abby here from Homeschool with Moxie. Today I wanted to show you inside the Story of the World, volumes 1 through 4. This is by Susan Wise Bauer and the Well-Trained Mind. And this is a great history curriculum for your elementary age kids. It's really made to be a read aloud with them, but your middle school students could read through these on their own. These books are written in a really engaging narrative style that would work really well with using narration as an oral assessment or review with your kids. And so let me show you what the insides of these books look like. So they are really kind of like a tinier book. They're not like a huge book. They're like the size of a book you'd read, right, from the library. So they're not intimidating because of their small size. They're divided into chapters, and each chapter has a main theme. And as you can see, the books are pretty simple inside. There are some pictures and maps, but there's not a lot. There's no color inside. It's just pretty basic. You can get MP3 audios to go along and read it for you, but here is just the normal, the way the insides look. Now, if you actually want the activities that go along with it, you'll want the activity book that goes along. So here's how it would look. So here's chapter 36 in the first volume, and here's what you would read about Augustus Caesar. It's just a couple pages long is the lesson. And then you turn over to the activity guide, and this 2-page spread is what she gives you for that lesson. So there's everything from review questions to narration prompts, additional history reading, corresponding literature suggestions, and then map work. She tells you the page to find that, also a coloring page, and then a whole page of hands-on projects, including craft projects, and that's it. Just that 2-page spread for that one lesson. So you can see you have a lot of options. You can pick and choose what fits your school the best. And in the back of the activity book, you find the maps and the coloring pages and all the things you need to complete the activity. So you can see how this would be a great curriculum for your elementary kids, and maybe even through middle school. So maybe K through 8 could use this all together, and you can give your older kids map work. Your younger kids are doing coloring pages. Everyone's doing oral narration. And this is a great way to get them into history without overwhelming them. I hope this quick peek into the story of the world has been helpful. Definitely check the link on my blog where you can read a more extensive review of Story of the World.